Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if this is your first time here, make sure you do subscribe on the bottom of this page. Make sure you do follow me on my social media, Instagram and Facebook, Makeup Artist 27, and make sure you do click the bell notification to get notifications when I do upload new videos. And if you do like the video, make sure you do give it a thumbs up, guys. So today's video, I'm gonna be finally opening this box right here. Well, it's already open and I already looked in through it, but we're gonna be opening the new Blue Blood palette from Jeffree Star. Finally, I like it like that. So here it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I love that everything he does is just amazing. As soon as I saw the palette, I was like, I want it, because it was so different. Like, look at this beautiful flyer with the palette in the back. The paper, it's like also blue. Everything is so themed. I love it. So this is how it comes. Here's the blue palette, and it is so beautiful. And we're just gonna open it. We're gonna go real quick. I'm not gonna do swatches because it's just a lot of colors. So this is how it looks, guys. I do have the red blood sugar. Let me look for it, guys. Blood sugars right here. So we got both right here. If you want a video me using both of them, let me know in the bottom and I'll make that possible. And yeah, guys, it is a coffin, like a coffin, and you open it and boom, it has a mirror and all the amazing shades. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. Love it. So some of them are pigmented, press pigment. Some of them are pressed pigment. I believe it's the Ocean Eyes, and there's other ones, I think. But yeah, it's so beautiful. And today I'm just gonna dive into it and do a tutorial using it. The price is the same as the Blue Blood. I mean, the price is the same as, what is it called? Blood sugar. Blood sugar, I think it's 54, and then when it's shipping and everything, it comes up with a 58 or something, a little bit. Even though I think they put the shipping a little bit down. I'm not sure, but we gotta take a look at that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty concealer. Gonna put that on my eyelid. I already did my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna put it like this. And I'm just gonna look for something to clean that out. I'm using Morphe M224, just a flat concealer brush, and I'm gonna take some of the product and clean the eyebrows. And what I do now, I just use a sponge and I just blend that. Yep. Cool. Now I'm gonna do the same on the other eye and I'll be right back. Alrighty. Cool. Not sure what I want here, but we're gonna make something. We're gonna make something happen here. Let's use Celebrity Skin, which is this one right here, which is like kind of like a skin color, and I'm gonna use that just to, you know, create the transition. gonna like set everything in there. I'm not sure what I'm going for, but I'm gonna make it quick. Cool. Now I'm gonna take Flourish, should I take that one? Blue Monday. Let's take Blue Monday. Let's take Blue Monday, which is that blue right there. And let's see what I want here. And I'm using this Morphe G18. It's a really small blending brush. And we're gonna use that like there. Like halfway. Zoom you in. And same thing on the other eye. Now I'm gonna take Fluorescent, which is that blue right there. And I'm gonna put it on the top of this one. It didn't work as I wanted it. Like I want to use it on the top of here. Blend those two together. Ooh, I'm liking that. Yes, yes. You see that? Ooh, so beautiful. Same thing on the other eye. The one that on the top. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Deseas, and I'm gonna put it on top of that. Because DC has like a little bit of shimmer. Now I'm gonna take Blue Blood, which is the pretty blue, right there. And just gonna put it at the beginning. And connect the two. It's such a pretty color. Ooh. I'm liking that color. Yep. So pretty. Wow. Liking that color. Now we're just gonna cut the crease, and all right, I'm gonna use Crystal Flesh, like at the beginning. The beginning. Now I'm gonna use Entitle, which is this one right there. And I'm gonna use that halfway. That color, it's so pretty. Of course, you want to mix the two together. Just go like that. And I'm gonna use the Ocean Ice as the last one. Such a pretty color. Ooh. Alrighty, that's it. And now I'm just gonna finish everything in my face, and I'll be right back and to finish my eyeliner and the bottom part. So I'll be right back. So alright, I am back putting everything, and I'm gonna tell you guys what did I use. You know, Jeffree Star loves the e.l.f. cosmetic, so I use the e.l.f. cosmetic foundation, and I use, let's see, I find this stuff, and I use the e.l.f. cosmetic concealer. For the eyeliner, I use the Benefit roller liner, which is amazing. I love this liner. And I used, for the highlighter, I used the Jeffree Star, and this is the color Princess Cut. So as you can see, it's beautiful. And For the blush, I use the e.l.f. Cosmetic one, and I use the one here, that one right there. For the contour, Anastasia Beverly Hills, you know that. And yeah, I think that's it. For the mascara, I use the this one from Tarte. And as you guys can see, even my nails match the makeup, like seriously. Now I'm just gonna use Leo as my lipstick, because the blue one I had, it doesn't look blue, it looks like dark navy. And it doesn't look good. Like, I wish I had a blue. Like, I think I have a blue from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Maybe I'll put that for like the pictures and stuff. But yeah, guys, this is such a fun look. I hope you guys like it. And if you do want a video for me to do using both of the palettes, let me know and I'll be happy to do it. Before you leave, make sure to give it a thumbs up if you do like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Bye. And I'm just gonna give you a zoom in.